Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how we can increase the speaker volume in Windows 11, okay, in laptop or desktop. So guys, let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start the video. Okay, so come to your window, and here in search bar you can search for settings. Okay, or go there, settings. We need to find the system options. Go to the systems, and under the system, here we need to find out that sound option. There the sound option, just click on it, and here the output means it is your speaker, the output volume. Okay, so here go to the volume range, and you here from here you can increase the volume, speaker volume, like this. Okay, so this is the normal setting. Now come to the down and go to the more sound settings, click on it, and here this is a speaker. Okay, and this is your mic. Okay, let go to the speaker, right click on it, go to the property, and here we have some options. Go to the enhancement options. Under the enhancement options, we need to disable all. Okay, if it is click like this, disable all to enhancement. Okay, and now you need to click only this option, which is loudness equalization, and here the preview, just apply it. Okay, after apply, you can see your speaker volume is increasing. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.